Carved directly into vibrant red sandstone, Petra stands as a testament to a civilization that vanished like a mirage. Nestled in the heart of Jordan, this archaeological treasure was once the bustling capital of the Nabatean Empire, thriving through its ingenious water management systems and strategic location along major trade routes. Imagine caravans laden with spices, silk, and incense winding through the narrow gorge known as the Sikh, revealing the majestic facade of the treasury at its end. This iconic structure, carved out of a sheer rock face, is but one of the countless wonders of Petra. Further into the city lies the monastery, another monumental testament to the architectural prowess of its creators. Historians and archaeologists speculate that several factors contributed to Petra's decline. The shifting trade routes, coupled with devastating earthquakes and changing political landscapes, gradually led to its abandonment. By the 7th century, this once flourishing city was largely forgotten, left to the whispers of the desert. Petra remains frozen in time, its secrets guarded by the desert winds.